Hi guys, this is Ken from Tech Open, back again with another video, this time to show you the SMAEL Military watch. It's a digital chronograph watch, low cost, that you can get online. If you're interested in this, you can check out the links in the description. If you want to get it, just click, it'll take you right there, so you can order it for yourself. Like I was saying, it's a low cost watch. With this one, I believe was around $11 to $12 at the time that I purchased, but there might be a promotion at the time you get this. And you know, it's for this kind of look that people like, that very similar to the G-Shock style, military kind of look watch. And this one actually comes with the military kind of you know, band with this camouflage effect. There are various options that you can get. There's a bunch of different looks that you can get from their website, and these are other options you can see here. This black one with this more of a gray kind of band, and you have the gold one, the gold black one, which has a black wristband. They're all the same, they just vary in colors and whatnot. The materials are the same, it's the same watch face, and you can see there's 3 options here, but there are a whole bunch of them you can check out. I already reviewed these two. I already did the unboxing of these two, so I'm going to focus on this one. So, like I said in the other videos, the lighting that you have to see the watch face, it's very light. It's not like really powerful. And here in the video, you can't really see that because of the lighting I have here, the overhead lighting. That kind of fogs out the, it drowns out the lighting of the watch. You can't really, let me see if I can show you. It's very, very dim. But if you're in total darkness, you can see it easily. It has the chronograph function. You have the normal analog watch. You have digital. You have, like I said, the chronograph. You have days of the week, days of the month. Although it is a low-cost digital chronograph watch, you can't really do much with it. It is supposed to be waterproof to an extent. It says 5 atmospheres water resistance, but I'm not really sure if that will work. I wouldn't really push my luck on that. They also tell you not to activate the buttons, not to press any buttons while this is underwater. So that's one of the indicators that it's not really that great of waterproofing. So don't do that. This button right here is basically just to turn on the light. That's the only function it has. Then the other buttons that you see here are to set the timer, to use the chronograph, to reset the chronograph, to set lap times, and also to define the days of the week and whatnot. But the manual also explains it. The manual is basically this little sheet right here. It's very simple, very basic, and the explanation here is very easy to understand. You won't have too much trouble setting this up. So I'm not going to get into that because I really don't think it's necessary. The band is very sturdy. It's a rubber material, it's kind of rubber plastic, you know. It has this flexibility, but it's very rigid. And you can also see that compared to my Gear S3 Frontier, it's very large. It's, you know, it's bulkier. Let's see if I can show you this the best I can. So if you see this in stores, if you can see this in person, you can more or less have an idea of the size comparison of this compared to that. But you know, it is a low-cost watch. If you're wearing this, and from a distance, people might actually think you have a G-Shock, that you're wearing a G-Shock. So this is the crown right here, so for you to adjust the time. The analog pointers right here. And then you have a reset button. This mode changes between chronograph mode and date setting and time setting and whatnot. Let me just remove this plastic here, this little film, so you can see this a little bit better. Okay, having a little bit of trouble. Okay, so you can see it here up close. You can compare it to the gold version. This is the gold black version. You know, they're basically the same thing. They just change the colors. The functions are exactly the same. And this is the black version with the gray band right here. When I ordered this one, I actually thought it was going to come with a black band, but it didn't. But that's okay. And it's basically this, guys. I'm going to put this on my wrist so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so let's just get this on. Note that I have a very thin wrist, so don't really take this into consideration because I have a slightly thinner wrist than the average guy. Mine is a little bit thinner. Okay. This band is very stiff, as you can more or less see. I'm kind of struggling to get this in because it's stiff. So that's what it looks like. You can see it's fairly bulky. So this won't be for everyone. Not everyone will like this look. People will like it. I kind of like it, this one. It's not as in your face as this one. It's a little bit more discreet. But it is bulky, guys. As you can see. Let me show this up close. I'm going to get it off my wrist again. Maybe to show this a little bit better. Because in video it is easier to see this in detail than in photographs. You can see the buttons here, the crown. This is all plastic, obviously. This is plastic as well, I believe. It's not, I don't think this is glass. I'm not sure. Try not to get this up against anything. It'll scratch easily. This doesn't do anything, this little thing right here. This is not just aesthetic. Here you can see the backside of the watch. It says 5 atmospheres water resistance, but like I said in the other videos of the other ones, I wouldn't risk getting this in the water unless you really can't avoid it. And they actually tell you not to press any buttons when it's underwater. So that's a fair indication of how delicate this is in waterproofing situations. So yeah, this is basically it, guys. Just to give you a more in-depth look of this, which is easier than actually seeing photographs of this. If you're interested in getting this, I will put the links in the description, as I think I already said that in the video. You can check out the links in the description. Just click on the links. It'll take you right there if you want to order this for yourself. I got this for around 11 to 12 bucks, but you might actually get a better deal at the time that you click on this. So yeah, this is basically it, guys. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and leave your comments on what you think about this. Would you buy this or would you not buy this? What is your overall opinion on this? It is a little bit cheap. I wouldn't say this is a great watch, but it's kind of nice for what you pay to have like a different look. If you're into that, you know, changing watches more frequently, it's a pretty good option. You can get like 2 or 3 of these in different colors and change around a bit. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. So thanks for watching. Have a great week. See you later. See you to the next video.